Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Xaman to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP holdings smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything before you proceed. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Xaman wallet with some XRP in it. Xaman is a popular wallet for XRP transactions. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. On the other side, have your Coinbase account ready. It's one of the easiest exchanges for beginners. If you don't have these set up, pause here and get them sorted. It's quick and essential for a hassle-free transfer. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Xaman app on your mobile device or desktop. Log in securely with your PIN or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your XRP wallet by selecting it from your asset list. You'll see your XRP balance. Exciting, right? Step 2. Generate or copy your Coinbase XRP deposit address. Hop over to your Coinbase app or website, go to your accounts, select XRP, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip. Always verify this address to avoid any costly mistakes, like sending to the wrong place. Step 3. Back in Xaman, go to the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which might be around 0.00001 XRP in 2025, but check current rates. Review the details carefully. Then hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your security method. Once sent, track the transaction on the XRP blockchain using tools like XRP Scan. It usually takes just a few minutes to appear in your Coinbase account. And voila! You've successfully transferred your XRP. In conclusion, transferring XRP from Xaman to Coinbase in 2025 is a breeze with these steps. Remember, stay safe by using secure connections and enabling two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future together. Thanks for watching.